peaceful campfire burns in the night. The never burning light canyons echo stories old in the twilight's golden hold. Signs trace through stormy paths, revealing nature's wrath. Fractured earth and roaring seas, elements fight to break free. Raging storms with thunderous light, nature's wrath takes its flight. Forest deep where shadows lie, whispering winds as night goes by. Earth power can't be denied. Mountains all dark in the sky. Night is wide where whispers roar beneath the eagle's door. Now it blows like crimson tears through fields of ancient fears. Granite cliffs they stand so high, kinds of the azure sky. Frozen tundra stretch apart where northern lights multiply. Echoes of the wild and free, elements in symphony, cascading foes with fury light. Tempest winds shake ancient trees, untouched ground so wild it grieves. Tides roll in with ceaseless force, nature follows its own course. Desert sands of barren sleep, secrets in their silence deep. Lightning cracks the midnight air,